You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing, very curious word, pronounced in English as ichthyophobia. Let's break it down. This is the overwhelming fear of fish, dead or alive. Ichthyo, the CH is pronounced like a K, it's from Greek. Ichthyo is Greek for fish. Then it's the with TH pronounced with your tongue between your teeth. Ichthyophobia. Ichthyophobia, stress on the pho syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation, ichthyophobia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.